Children, today we are going to see exemplar neat question from atomic structure. Okay, the question is question number 1. Two questions we are going to see. Question number 1. How many electrons in a fully filled F sub cell have m is equal to 0? Understood all of you? Listen, this one F sub cell. F cell. F, F. Each one is subcell. Okay, here how do you write this one? Because when f is given, L value is 3, m value is plus or minus 3. So you write like this. The given the here the tip is the trick is what is given no. Clue is what is given no. Fully filled, fully filled. So you write two electrons. Here they ask m is equal to 0. How many electrons are there? 2. This and all you no need to do. Simply you keep it in your mind. Fully filled is given. Fully filled means maximum number of electrons occupies in subcell is what? 2 electrons. Understood all of you? For your understanding only, I have worked out this one. These and all you no need to work it out because the clue is given fully filled F subcell. So fully filled means maximum number of electrons what? 2 electrons. The answer is 2. I did not write the answer, the options and all. Straightly I write the answers. Question number 2. An atom has 2k 8l 5m electrons. Write the electronic configuration. Here only you will get confusion. Here what is the meaning of this one? No. K shell is having 2 electrons. L shell is having 8 electrons. M shell is having 5 electrons. So you add up all the electrons. Total number of electrons. Count it. 2 plus 8 plus 5 you'll get 15 electrons. For 15 electrons, you write the electronic configuration. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p3. That's all children. Some of the questions are very easy to answer if you think it and do. Thank you children. லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்கள், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். உங்களுடைய ஒவ்வொரு லைக்ஸும் எனக்கு ரொம்ப வேல்யூபிள் சில்ட்ரன். தேங்க்யூ.